Hi, this is CA Firoz. Today we are going to discuss very important topic regarding e-commerce export. Here we are going to discuss regarding if you want to take UAE Noon registration, that time what the document are you required for Noon registration. So first of all, we will discuss here regarding if you are international sellers, means you are non-resident for UAE, means your country is maybe India, UAE, UK, USA. That time if you want to grip the UAE market through the Noon, so what the required document for you we will understand in first portion of this video, and second part of this video we will consider for the local person. If you are local UAE resident, means you are salaried person and other person, so for your this is very important this video is going on, because in this video we will understand how can we start e-commerce business via Noon in very low cost. So for your understanding, we will discuss here required document, and also we will discuss here how to take that document from the UAE government. So first of all, we will start from this is Noon guidelines. Here they covered three countries: UAE, KSA, and Egypt. But here we will understand only UAE document required. For your understanding, we will focus on UAE market only. So for your understanding, if you want to go through this document, I will attach the link in my description box. Further, we will start from the required document for international seller. If you are Indian, China, US or UK seller, that time you can grip the UAE market very easily. What the document required? First of all, we need to understand if you want to start your e-commerce business via Noon. So what the required document? First document, you need to take trade license. No, you don't need to take trade license in UAE. Only sufficient document if you are registered in your home country, that document is required for UAE Noon registration. I hope you got it. Second important thing, you need to take VAT registration. Yes, you need to take VAT registration in UAE government. So very easily you can show your proper KYCs and your documents, so you can take VAT registration in UAE very easily. And third important thing, valid ID. What is your valid ID? Your passport is valid identity for UAE Noon registration. Fourth important thing, bank account details. If you are non-resident in UAE, you are thinking how you can take the bank account in UAE. No, this is very simple. As you know, there is a payment gateways. Also Noon is considered two payment gateways. One is a Payoneer, second is Lion. If you can create very easily Payoneer account and Lion account that you can attach with UAE Noon registration. This is four important document. I hope you got it. First is your home country business registration certificate. Maybe if you are India, that is GST registration. Maybe if you are registered in China, there is also a government authority. That time you can take that business registration certificate. And second important thing, VAT registration. You must take VAT registration in UAE. Third, your valid identity is passport. Fourth is bank account. Bank account is not physical bank account, not UAE bank account. Only payment gateway is sufficient for you. I hope you got it. This is very important for you. Second important aspect, if you are in already in UAE as a salaried employee, as a businessman, if you want to start your new segment like e-commerce business, so you can go through the Noon, because you know that Noon is very well known in GCC countries, in KSA, in UAE. That is very important for your understanding. You can start your e-commerce business from the home. Nowadays there is e-trade license. You can start your business from home. If you are salaried person, you can take the e-trade license without any ijari and other thing. Very simple process. You can take your e-trader license in one day. Very low cost. What the cost is? Cost is very low. You can imagine cost is 1070 AED. This is very low cost. You can start your business in UAE through the e-commerce, and you can go through via the Noon registration. So you can take firstly your VAT registration, then e-trade license, and third thing you can start through the via the Noon registration. In Noon registration, you already need firstly e-trade license, second is VAT registration, third is valid ID. What is the valid ID? Valid ID is in UAE there is Emirates ID or passport. Any one document you can attach for UAE Noon registration. Fourth and final is bank account detail. If you are in UAE, that time you need to cancel check or bank statement. Any document you can attach for registration in Noon. I hope you got it. There is a very important 4 aspects. First is trade license. You can take your e-trade license. As a freelancer, you can start your work as e-commerce export, sorry, e-commerce seller. And second is VAT registration. You don't need to take VAT registration, because if you are UAE resident, that time there is a limit 187,500. If you are crossing that limit, that time you can take the VAT registration on voluntary basis. And mandatory requirement, if your turnover is crossing 375,000 AD, that time you need to take VAT registration mandatory. Means there is an option. If you are starting your business, that time there is no any requirement for VAT registration. I hope you got it. Third important thing, valid ID. You know that Emirates ID or passport, anything you can attach for UAE Noon registration. Fourth, bank account detail. You need to take your cancel check or bank statement and attaching that, and you can take your Noon registration, and you can start your e-commerce business in very low cost via e-trade license. I hope you got it. This is very important for you. If you have any query, you can comment here. You can go through us via our website www.cmfkhan.com. I hope you got it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much.